3 a.m. lamplight matches the pendant's golden glow. She polished anxiety into leaf veins, each groove an unsaid, "I believe in you." Cicada wings thin as exam papers, carved from 17-year silence. Real cold isn't mine. ... It's forged in midnight study sweat, she whispered, when stress shakes his hands. The cicada song vibrates at 432 hertz. Nature's calm frequency. Leaf edges sharpened like pencil tips, yet soft as mother's. Restrained hugs. Molten alloy swirls mimic textbook diagrams. Calculus transformed to art. The clasp a hidden multiplication table from his first grade lunchbox. Now when he touches it, 10,000 solved problems pulse in golden waves. Like, if you feel the mom's heart, subscribe for more exam magic.